We'll guide you through how to fix Microsoft Edge opens automatically in Windows 10. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, go to your Windows 10 desktop or home screen and make sure all important work has been saved before making any changes to your startup settings. Move your cursor to the taskbar located at the bottom of the screen. Right-click anywhere on an empty area of the taskbar to open the context menu. From the list of available options, click Task Manager. Wait for the Task Manager window to appear. If it opens in the compact view that only displays running applications, click More Details to expand the window and access the complete set of management tools. Once the full Task Manager window is displayed, take a moment to observe the Processes tab. Here, you can see the applications and background processes that are currently running on your computer. Notice the information displayed in the columns, including CPU, memory, disk, and network usage. These values help you understand how system resources are being used, although you do not need to make any changes on this page. Instead, look toward the row of tabs near the top of the Task Manager window. Locate the Startup tab and click it to continue. After opening the Startup tab, wait for Windows to display the complete list of applications configured to launch automatically when your computer starts. Once you find it, check the status column next to the application name. Verify that the current status is enabled, which means Microsoft Edge is allowed to start automatically during Windows startup. If the status already shows disabled, no further changes are necessary. However, if it is enabled, continue with the next step. Right-click Microsoft Edge to open the available context menu options. Review the menu briefly, then click Disable. Verify that the status column immediately changes from enabled to disabled.